Hi there, Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. Here's a tip for you to help you be less anxious during the holidays with using TAT to help you. So the first thing to do is just put your attention on, yeah, I'm anxious. And notice, what are the thoughts you have? What memories are there? Where do you feel it in your body? Like, does your throat tighten up? Does your stomach feel all in knots? Do your shoulders hunch over? Does your heart beat kind of hard? So just notice whatever's happening that way, and the emotions, anything besides anxiety, like straight on fear, like, oh, what are people going to say to me? Or, oh, I just want to kill in my family and I have to be there. Whatever the feelings are you have. So what we're going to do is take all of those and put them, what we call, into the pot. It just means for short, that's what we're going to work on. So we're going to do a really short TAT session together, a shortened version, just to help you out. And you can use this whenever you want, over and over, about whatever's coming up that's making you anxious about the holidays. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is the heart pose. And for that, you just take your hands, place whichever one over the other, and put it over your heart chakra. That means near your heart, but midline. And we'll make this intention together. This healing's on behalf of you, your whole family, all your ancestors, your conscious and subconscious mind, all the parts of you, all the points of view you've ever been identified with, for all beings involved, all beings who'd like to benefit, and it'll happen in a way that's safe and easy. Then we do the TAT pose. So you use whichever hand in front you want, your thumb and ring finger, light touch immediately above the upper or inner corner of each eye, and your middle finger goes in the middle, just slightly above your eyebrows, midline here, and your other hand goes at the base of your skull. So your thumb is just above your hairline back there. It's not in the notch, it's just flat back there, palm facing your head, okay? So light touch, no pressure. That's the TAT pose. So you do the TAT pose, and I'll walk you through a few of the steps, okay? Like this. Everything that led up to this happened. This means everything that's in the pot, everything that's stressing you, that's making you feel anxious right now. Everything that led up to this happened. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. And we don't need to know what it all is, just making the intention. All that happened, it's over. And I no longer resonate, identify, or connect with this, meaning all this stuff you threw in the pot. And then just think of how you'd like to feel, like, oh, in present moment terms, like, oh, I'm okay. The holidays are coming. I'm going to be with whoever, or I'm going to be alone, or whatever's going to happen. And I see that I'm feeling fine. I see myself feeling relaxed and at ease. So just whatever you'd like, picture yourself in that condition right now. And then do the pose again, the TAT pose, and say it to yourself silently or out loud 3 times like this. Wow, I'm with my family and I'm really chill. I'm with my family and I'm really chill. I'm with my family and I'm really chill. Or something like, I'm at this party and I feel at ease being myself. I'm at this party and I feel at ease being myself. I'm at this party and I feel at ease being myself. Or I'm connecting with people I care about on Zoom and I feel happy to see them. I'm connecting with people I care about a lot, and I'm happy to see them. I'm connecting with people I care about a lot on Zoom, and I'm happy to see them. Okay, I really hope that helps you be less stressed, less anxious, and have happier holidays. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.